Hi, this is Jessica Bonilla, head gardener here at Hillwood Estate Museum and Gardens, and this is What's in Bloom. And today we're going to look at what I think is a fun plant combination out here near the Lunar lawn. So let's take a look. So that's what we're talking about today. And we're going to move up close and take a look at this dark-leafed deciduous shrub. This is Weigela, Florida fine wine. It also goes by the cultivar Branwell as well. And I haven't had a whole lot of luck with dwarf cultivars. Fine wine is considered a dwarf. Really only gets 3 by 3 when you compare it to the species, which is more like 10 by 12. But this one is doing really well, and I'm very excited about it. So if you look up close, these are its flowers. It has this rich pink flowers in May that also are attractive to hummingbirds. Behind it is the Hosta Crassa Regal. And this hosta really has an upright habit compared to a mounding habit that so many hostas have. And it really has kind of a vase shape. And the foliage is really attractive. It's this greenish blue color, and it has really strong venation that also make it very decorative. Another really nice thing about this cultivar is that it's relatively free from slug damage. So many hostas get eaten up by the slugs, but this one I've seen very little damage since I've been working with it. Then I think they just make a very nice combination together. Moving on to this other plant down below. So this is family to the Geranium maculata. And Geranium maculata is a perennial 1 to 2 feet tall that is native to northeastern North America. This is what would be called a nativar. It is a cultivar of a native, and its cultivar name is Espresso. And you can see why. It has this chocolatey coffee looking color with dark, deeply cut lobes on its foliage. Very handsome. It also has these delicate lavender flowers at this time of year, but really the main attraction is the foliage. This is considered a crane's bill geranium, and you may wonder where that term came from, but if you look here right at the flower that has been spent and has fallen off, you could see that this supposedly looks like a head and bill of a crane. So, a lot of fun. So when these have finished blooming, there's some astilbe that have yet to come, and then we'll also have some stoichesia as well that will come into bloom, and this is just a garden that I have come to really enjoy. So that will be all for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and can't wait to see you out in the gardens soon.